So, let's have a chat about our special guest. So our guest today is Mr. Julio Monzon, a much beloved member of the Wi-Fi Tribe community. I'm sure you'd love to know a few tasty facts about him. Where's he come from? What does he do? Well, he co-founded a company called Muay, which is in the advertising space. The company is completely remote, got over 160 employees. So guess what that makes him? A hero. In addition to this, he enjoys bachata and salsa and also Muay Thai, which we're going to find out a little bit more about later. In addition to this, he makes a mean lomo saltado. Why? Because he's Peruvian, people. He's Peruvian. So we're going to get into it and cause some mischief. Right, so first thing we're going to do is stop talking to ourselves. Julio, thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Ministry of Mischief. Welcome.
Pleasure to be here.
I think people would like to know some very useless facts about you. So, what's your favourite snack?
Popcorn.
And what was your childhood nickname?
So my name's spelled with a J, Julio, but people always be like Julio, just because.
For everybody out there, Julio is not the nickname that we use now. Julio actually has a song now, so it's actually Julito. What's your favourite cocktail?
Gin and tonic.
Oh yeah, that is true. Forgot about that. What is your favourite book?
Never Split the Difference.
What's it about?
It's about communication and negotiation.
Oh, yeah, that sounds...
All right, it's an former FBI investigator that has taught like universities.
Yeah, all right. Now, I hear tell that you have some really fun hobbies.
Whenever I get the chance, I'm big into salsa dancing.
We would quite like a demonstration if you could deliver that for us right now.
It's about the hips.
And gentlemen, pay attention.
It's actually pretty easy to do it. Anybody can do it. It's just adding the hips into it.
See, there you go, guys. And Julio, you've just taught us the basic salsa step, haven't you? Okay, so you like salsa, but I hear that you have another hobby as well. Which hobby is that?
Muay Thai.
Oh, the reason why I ask is because your challenge round is going to be Thai moves.
Can I see the cards you have before we do this?
No, it's not the game.
Why not?
You're a Muay Thai master and you will just have to cope with it.
Masters prepare.
Yeah, well, masters should always be prepared.
Ooh, touche.
So, Julio, you have got approximately 1 minute to complete as many of these moves as you can.
3, 2, 1.
Time has started.
You did it.
Is that what it is? Okay. Yes. What's this one? Ah, well done. You're looking fresh. What's this one? I could be making this up and we'd never know. What's this one? Are you sure you're just making this up now? You're making it up. What's this one?
Oh, God, you're testing.
Oh, well done. Look at this. This guy's on fire.
Oh, pervert.
Oh, well done. Okay. You've got 10 seconds left. What's this one? 10 seconds, 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're out of time. Oh, I love it. Well done.
My instructors will be disappointed, but it's okay. Yeah. This was totally good.
Sometimes you're going to be disappointed and you didn't get through. You still had another 4 cards left to go, but you did look good. You did look good. So, Julio, in keeping with the rules of the show, having, been subject to, quite unreasonable, potentially embarrassing situations, you have the opportunity to get your own back. Now, in this round, you get to ask me any 3 questions, or you can dare me to do something ridiculous.
I'll ask you a few questions. What was your favorite Wi-Fi Tribe chapter that you've been on?
Oh, this is terrible. Why would you do this?
6.5 hours later.
Lisbon 20. 19 in September. We had a lot of fun, lots of really cool weekend trips, and really good snacks.
And I was there for the beginning. So yeah, I get you. Who's your favorite tribe team member? So who works in the Wi-Fi tribe to work with?
Oh. Okay, so my favorite team member in the tribe is myself, because I cause the most amount of mischief.
Now I got a serious question for you, man.
You put glasses on.
Who's your favorite triber?
My heart carves out a special place for each tribe member. I don't have a favorite. If I have to choose between the tribe and snacks, I will clearly choose snacks. Julio, those are your 3 questions. You don't get any more. If people want to learn more salsa, where can they find you?
LinkedIn, just search Julio Monzon. My dad's also there. The younger looking one is me. Instagram is at the Digi Nomads with a Z at the end. I'll eventually change that.
Thanks for tuning into this episode of the Ministry of Mischief with Julio. If you would like to find out some more about his professional background and also how he managed to build an entirely remote company without losing his mind, you can tune in to our latest podcast. I will include a link below, but otherwise I will see you in the next one. Pow!